want to pick between 3 to 6 colors. I'd probably say 5 for starting out. Because if you add too many colors, it starts to get like mixed and like muddy. And they don't have to like be colors that go together. Be like opposites and stuff. He chose the brown. Yeah? Not the one I thought you were gonna go for. I don't know what I'm gonna pick either. There's a different kind of green too, so make sure you pick the one. And okay, so usually I have a white paint because you want either a black or a white for like the majority of the painting. Yeah. And then you have like your colors. But yeah, but my white is like almost out, so it's black. Yeah, I think it'd be really cool one day to have like, okay. You know what? I'll come for the yellow in a minute. Too thick. You need more. Look at this cup. It's a metallic.
Any like this? Any black?
Yeah, that's pretty close. Yeah, you don't want it too watery, which is kind of what I did to this one. So I hope it turns out okay. Yeah, it's too watery. I kind of fucked that. I'll add more. See, like this, it's a little bit too thick. Just a little bit. Mix it up good and like scrape the sides like this. This is like the longest part of the whole thing, is mixing the paints. Just use your spit. I mean, look at, you can't mix that up. Yeah?
Look at
It's hot syrup.
that's what it looks like.
Eat some. Try a little bit. Fine, I dare you. But
Bit.
looks like buddy. Okay. Well, that's
When was the first time you tried this?
why are you saying that?
Sounds like a bogging dirt bike or something.
Either. No, pour it. Okay. So we're either gonna like layer the colors, and then a really cool one is you have it and then you flip it and then you pull it off, and all the colors like mix and it's random. Or you can pour all the colors in here, layer them, and just pour them on like that. Or there's another technique called like a tree ring, where you put all the colors in here and then just in the center you circle it and it makes like tree rings of colors. I want to do the flippy. Just freehand like that? You sure? Like go on your phone and Google.
I want to.
Yeah? Okay. Choose like 1 or 2 that are not gonna have it, and then the other 2, you literally only want to put like 2 drops.
Oh, okay.
Just 2 drops. Okay. 5.
That's 2 now.
Okay, pick one up. If you mix it a lot, you're gonna make a ton of tiny little ones. If you just stir it once and twice, it'll make bigger ones. Stop. Yeah, that's what I do too. Okay. I'll choose some too.
Okay.
I'm gonna start a little bit of black at the bottom. It's like the last thing that's gonna get pulled off the cut for me. So with yours, just kind of freehand it. Just pour a little bit in whatever order into that cup. I'm just coming into play here.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
What?
I'm having fun.
Yeah? And that's probably going to be enough around here for the couple thing. It's probably going to be too much, but you need too much that way you can pour it off. To like push colors down. Very interesting color choice you went for. Your color palette. You just chose like, I'm gonna choose the colors that I wear the most.
Very much.
Ooh, you silver. Okay. Ooh, that looks crazy. I'm just gonna show you how I do mine first because it's gonna sit for a second. Okay. Ready for this? Ready? And I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. So you can either do yours like this, or you can do a slow pour in any direction style that you want, okay?
This is so cool.
It's gonna get really messy. Like paint's gonna go all over us, the thing.
This is so cool.
Okay. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, we're like on a slant here. Alright, I'm gonna pull mine. I don't know how good it's gonna look. Oh!
That was so cool.
There's hella air bubbles on this one too. Look at the little tiny cells.
That's so cool.
And then now you just start pouring it from corner to corner slowly.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
Start pouring off. Choose a corner and start going. Wait, that looks so cool. I like it. It looks like all abstract. What are you doing?
I don't know.
It's that finger paint. That meme that's like, to this day I cannot believe he rhymed man with his cancer. I've done it several times too where I finished a painting that I was like, well, I like this. And then I'm like cleaning up and I drop something right on it.